So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open up a 2% cashback on everything credit card here on Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, I want you to go ahead here on the home page to scroll down to where it says add an account, and then go ahead and press on that. Then it says open up a new account. I want you to go ahead and press on that one. Now on this screen, three options down, it says credit card, limited quantity, spend and earn 2% cash back on everything. You want to go ahead and press on that. Now on this page, it actually does bring you to a new drop of Wealthsimples. This of course being a Wealthsimple Visa Infinite card. So this card offers 2% cash back at this moment in time, unlimited 2% cash back, no FX fees. There also is other benefits as well. So if I go ahead and press on all benefits right here, there's different benefits. There's unlimited 2% cashback, no annual fee, no FX fees, higher tap limits, Visa Infinite perks. There also is insurance as well. There's mobile device insurance, purchase security insurance, extended warranty, and also too, you can go ahead and browse some different stuff in case you're interested in applying for this credit card. So at this moment in time, it is not available. So we have to go ahead and press and join the waitlist. But depending on when you're watching this, maybe it's available. Maybe there's some other options, whatever the case may be. But if you're looking for a 2% cash back on everything credit card, Wealthsimple is offering this one. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open a 2% cash back on everything credit card on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.